Welcome back. We started solving this question in the previous video and we got to this point where we had two equations. The first one is C plus 1.5k is equal to 990, and the second one is C plus 2.5k is equal to 842. And we are going to solve these two equations simultaneously for the values of C and K. We are going to use the elimination method. So we will have equation 2 minus equation 1. This will give us C minus C plus 2.5k minus 1.5k is equal to 842 minus 990. 2.5k minus 1.5k will give us 1k or k, and 842 minus 990 will give us minus 148. So k is equal to minus 148. We need to find the value of c. From equation 1, we know that c plus 1.5k is equal to 990. We have found the value of k as minus 148. So we can replace k with minus 148. So you have c plus 1.5 times minus 148 is equal to 990. 1.5 times minus 148 will give us minus 222. So you have c minus 222 is equal to 990. If you group like terms, you have c is equal to 990 plus 222. So c will give us 1212. So the value of k is minus 148 and the value of c is 1212. The expression is p is equal to c plus k square root of a. We saw this in the previous video, and we have found the value of c as 1212 and the value of k as minus 148. So we can replace c with 1212 and replace k with minus 148. So you have p is equal to 1212 minus 148 square root of a. So we now have an expression connecting p and a. The question said we should find the cross-sectional area, that is A, when the pressure is at 770 millimeters. So when the pressure is at 770 millimeters, it means that P is equal to 770. We know that P is equal to 1212 minus 148 square root of A. So we can replace P with 770. This will give us 770 is equal to 1212 minus 148 square root of A. If we rearrange this, that is, I will send this term here on the left hand side, on the right hand side to the left hand side, then I'll bring this one here from the left hand side to the right hand side. We will have 148 square root of A, because when this crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. Then this will give us 1212 minus 770, because this is positive here, so when it comes here, it becomes negative. This will give us 148 square root of A is equal to 1212 minus 770. And we will have 148 square root of A is equal to 442. So you have 148 square root of A is equal to 442. We divide both sides by 148. So if you divide both sides by 148, you have 148 here and 148 here cancelling out. So you have square root of A on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have 442 divided by 148. So square root of A is equal to 221 divided by 74. In order to find the value of A, we need to square both sides. So we have square root of A squared is equal to 221 divided by 74 squared. Square root of A squared will give us A. If you find 221 divided by 74 squared on your calculator and you correct your answer to 2 decimal places, you have 8.92. Remember, the question said we should correct our answers to 2 decimal places. So A is equal to 8.92. This means that the cross-sectional area is 8.92 millimeters, when the pressure is 770 millimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. This is the end of the videos on variation. Pick more examples and try your hands on them. If you have any problems solving any of the questions you try, interact with me on my social media handles and I'll help you to solve the question. Bye-bye.